Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily change mouse cursor color and size in Windows 11 in any PC. It is very easy to change the mouse cursor color and size. You have to right click on the Windows icon shown in the taskbar. After clicking on this you will see a setting option. You will have to click on it, then a setting window will appear to you. After this window appear to you, you have to go on the left side and click on the accessibility option. After you click on this, you will see on the right side text size, visual effects. On the third point, you will see mouse pointer and touch option. You have to click on mouse pointer and touch option. After clicking on it, you will see some of the mouse pointer style shown by your PC by default: white, black, and inverted. And you can also see a custom option which you can modify as per your choice. After clicking on the custom option, you can see different type of colors. I chose here blue color. You can choose any color as per your choice, and you can also adjust its size as per your choice. On the below you have to move this cursor, and then you can see how the size of the cursor is changing. Like as shown in the video, you can also change size of the cursor. In the below you can also enable circle darker and larger. On the touch indicator highlights your cursor. Hope your problem is solved. Now you can easily adjust the mouse pointer settings. Thank you for watching.